Is x cube minus 2x square plus ax plus 6 equal to 0. So a value 1, b value minus 2, c value 8, d value 6. Given roots are 1, minus 2, 3. Find the value of this A. So, A in the place of C. So, take a S2 formula. S2 formula is a minus C by A. S1 minus B by A. S2 plus C by A. So, S2 means alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha equal to plus C by A. Substitute all the values. Alpha into beta, beta into gamma, gamma into alpha equal to C value A by a value is a 1, minus 2, minus 6, plus 3 equal to A. 3 minus 8 minus 5 equal to A. Given cubic equation is a x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 4 equal to 0. Given roots are alpha equal to 1, beta equal to 1, gamma equal to alpha. So find this alpha. So take a S1 or S2 or S3, any one of these three. S1 equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. Small a value 1, b value minus 6, c value 9, d value 4. So alpha value 1, beta value 1, gamma value alpha equal to minus b value minus 6 by a value is 1. So alpha plus 2 equal to minus or minus plus. So alpha equal to 6 minus 2. So alpha value is 4. And cubic equation is a x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Given roots are alpha, beta and 1. Find the values of alpha and beta. So given alpha equal to 1, beta equal to 1, alpha equal to alpha, beta equal to beta, gamma equal to 1. We apply the synthetic division. Remember, listen carefully. Synthetic division. Synthetic division means take the coefficients of the given equation. X cube coefficient 1, x square coefficient minus 2, x coefficient minus 5, constant is 6. Take a 1, this one is this one. First put a 0 in this place. Listen carefully. Synthetic division. We take the coefficients of the given equation. Coefficients of the given equation. We know the 1 root 1. By using this root, we apply the synthetic division. First put in this place 0. Add these two values 1, multiply this and this result right in this place. 1 into 1 equal to 1. Adding these two, we get minus 1. Multiply this number and this number. Minus 1 into 1 equal to minus 1. Write in this place. Minus 5 minus 1 minus 6. Minus 6 into 1 minus 6. Adding these two, we get 0. This is the remainder. This is the remainder. So finally, this is x cube quotient, x square, x constant. After one division, we get this is the x square quotient, this is the x quotient, this is the constant. So from this one, we get the equation x square minus x plus 6 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Split into factors. X square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Take x common. X minus 3. Take plus 2 common. X minus 3. X minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. So x value 3 or x value minus 2. Suppose we want alpha beta values. Suppose alpha equal to 3, beta equal minus 2. Or if alpha equal minus 2, beta equal to 3. Suppose this is alpha, it becomes to beta. Suppose this is alpha, this value is beta. So alpha values are alpha and beta values are 3 or minus 2 or minus 2 or 3. Listen again. Synthetic division. First take the coefficients of the equation. 1 minus 2 minus 5 plus 6. First put 0 in the first place. Adding these two, 1 plus 0 equal 1. Multiply this and this. 1 into 1 equal to 1. Write in this place. Add these two. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Multiply this value and this value. Write in this place. Minus 1 into 1 equal to minus 1. Adding these two, minus 6. Minus 6 into 1 equal to minus 6. Adding these two, we get 0. This is the remainder. So quotient is x square quotient, x quotient and constant. So x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Adding these split into factors. X square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Take x common, x minus 3. Take 2 common, x minus 3. Take x minus 3 common, we get x plus 2. So from this one, x value 3. From this one, x value is minus 2. Suppose alpha value 3, beta value minus 2. Suppose alpha value minus 2, beta value is 3. Both are right. This cubic equation, alpha, beta, gamma are the roots. Given product of the roots is 9. Find a value. So given S3 value is 9. This is A value, B value, C value, D value. S1 minus B by A. S2 plus C by A. S3 minus D by A. Minus d by a equal to 9 minus d value is minus a by a value is 4 equal to 9 minus into minus plus a by cross multiplication 4 into 9 equal to 36. Cubic equation is this one, x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. A value 1, B value minus 2, C value plus 3, D value minus 4. Alpha, beta, gamma are the roots. S1 value, we know the formula minus B by A minus B value minus 2 by A value 1. So that equal to 2. That implies S1 value 2. S2 plus C by A plus C value plus 3. A value 1 equal to 3. S2 value 3. S3 value minus D by A minus D value minus 4. A value 1. This implies S3 value 4. He wants the value of a sigma alpha square beta square. So alpha, beta, gamma are the roots. Expand this sigma. First value is alpha square beta square. Second term beta square gamma square. Third term gamma square alpha square. So second term beta square gamma square. Third term gamma square alpha square. This is alpha beta whole square plus beta gamma whole square plus gamma alpha whole square. We divert this equation in terms of S1, S2 and S3 terms. So we apply the formula. We know that A plus B plus C whole square equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Therefore, this A square plus B square plus C square equal to A plus B plus C whole square minus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. So we apply this formula in this place. Let it be A. This is B. This is C. A square plus B square plus C square equal to A plus B plus C whole square minus 2 into AB alpha beta gamma. This is A value. This is B value plus BC beta gamma into gamma alpha plus CA, C value gamma alpha into alpha beta. So alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is nothing but S2 symbol. S2 whole square minus 2 into, take common, alpha beta gamma, alpha beta gamma, alpha beta gamma, alpha beta, gamma. So in the first term, remaining letter is beta, gamma, alpha. So this is nothing but S1 symbol. This is nothing but S3 symbol. So S2 square minus 2, S3 into S1. So we know the values of S1, S2 and S3. S2 value 3 square minus 2 into S3 value 4, S1 value 2. Finally 9 minus 16 equal to minus 7. This is the MZ formula. Sigma alpha square beta square equal to S2 square minus 2 into S1 S3. We apply this formula in the MZ.